Well, welcome back everyone. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video. And today I wanted to talk to you about Epik Prime. This is another one of those cryptos that's not in the top 10 that is going to sneak up on everybody and just catch everybody off guard. And there's an opportunity here for some folks to possibly make a little bit of money, put it in their pocket. I want to bring you down here and just let you see just how far down in the ranking. Here it is. The market rank, according to CoinMarketCap, is number 754. So we're not in the top 10, the top 100. We're down here in the bottom of the top 800 cryptos. So you might be wondering, well, why is it he keeps looking at these type of cryptos? Look at this price change in the last 24 hours, 20%. Okay, that's like in one day. So when I see something like that, it turns my head. It gets me to wondering exactly what it is. Another thing I want to note here is that if we look at the write-up here on CoinMarketCap, it talks about where this coin is available on KuCoin, Hubo Global, Gate.io, Hotcoin Global, BitTrue, and it says you can find others listed on crypto exchanges page. So, you know, my thing with this is that I don't think it's hit the big boys yet. It is not available on Coinbase, to my knowledge. It's not available on Robinhood. You can see here all the places that it's listed. But the big name places, it's just not there. I think it is available on Binance. Let's see here. Yes, of course. It's available on Binance. But there are some very large exchanges that are not on this list, which means there is still a lot of room for it to grow. So if we were to go back here and just go to their website, I want to take you through some of the particulars about Epik so you understand what it is. I hate when they want the cookies. All right, so it says Epik is the global leader in digital content collaborations between brands and games, producing premium licensed NFTs from original content, offering exclusive experiences and utility for fans across digital platforms. So you might be wondering, well, what is that? So we scroll down a little bit. Of course, we know what NFTs are and in-game drops and more. But the long story short of this is right here. 300 plus game companies are supposedly using this. 50% plus top game companies in the world. Over 1,000 brands, serving to over 1 billion actual gamers, I guess. Gaming user base, right? So you have to look at that and say, okay, well, this is not something that's going to be ignored, okay? Let me start talking about in-game drops of NFTs, and over 1 billion gamers are exposed to products created by Epik. That's pretty serious stuff. Mainstream gaming and blockchain, the Epikverse, they talk about that. And they talk about you can equip your character with NFT digital collectibles if you sign up here. So they've got an NFT platform, and coming soon they've got a locker app. So if we go through here, it also starts talking about the Epik Prime tokens and how those work into the mix here. So the issue I have with this is that it's just not openly open to developers, but it seems to me that they're catering to the big name people. Okay, and they're going after those platforms. So I don't see anything here about developers. Let's look at their frequently asked questions here. Have any of your NFT digital merchandise items gone live? Were you into NFTs before this year, or is it just a convenient pivot? Would I know any of your past clients? What are your plans for the near future? Do you need to drop thousands of dollars to get digital merchandise? What what's big on the roadmap for Epik. I want to see this roadmap here. Non-stop ultra unique NFT drops. We're also releasing Locker, a unique mobile experience in the near future. Plus, users will get to experience our flagship Epik Universe world very soon. Sounds good. Let's see what they talk about when it comes to thousands of dollars to get digital merchandise. No, not necessarily, because every NFT is unique. The prices vary widely. There are options for every budget. I'm going to say this. I did explore the Epik Prime token, and some of their stuff is kind of risque. It looks like they're leaning towards NFTs that basically are provocative. I will use that word. Catering towards probably young, or I should say teenagers that are, I don't know, 17, 18, 19. Their artwork seems to cater to very young males, if you understand what I mean. So I'm gonna go away from that for a minute and not expose you to that for no apparent reason. Do they have some possibility? Yes. But I'd like to see more capability and openness for other developers that aren't necessarily, you know, the big boys. When you go to the marketplace here, this is the kind of stuff I was talking about. You can see very risque art here, and that's the kind of thing they seem to be putting a lot of their effort around. NFTs, mature artwork, and the such. Is it going to do better than it's doing now? Absolutely. Is it going to stay in the bottom 800? No, it's not. When people realize that they can get in-game NFTs, and this functionally makes it easier for them if they actually expose how that goes. Here's the kind of stuff I was talking about. This Zen scope. Yeah, you can see what's going on here. Yeah, I'm not going to click on it. Just giving you an idea of where they are. So is this a good investment? When we go here, it's up 21% in the last 24 hours. I could absolutely see Epik actually doubling before the end of the year. It's quite possible. I mean, look at them. Their market cap is only, it's at the $23 million point. Somebody's going to look down there and say, this is a jewel. I like what I see. And drop some money, okay? In this realm, 23 million is not a whole lot of money. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, give you a little idea about what Epik Prime is all about. If you've enjoyed it, found it informative, please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll catch you on the next one.